All right, Maureen Haley here with the Arduino on-ramp class. Warm welcome, makers. We're just going to quickly go through downloading our GitHub repository. I'll go through downloading it as a zip file, downloading it through Git or cloning it, and then briefly discuss the files that are in the repository. So you're going to want to go to github.com/HaleyMA/Arduino-on-ramp-class. And that will get you to our Arduino on-ramp repository. You'll see our README with our prerequisites. And everywhere, Meetup, everywhere else that we post the announcement to this class, usually we put these prerequisites on here. So this link to the repository should be there. Alright, so the simplest way to download this information is to go to this big green button, click on it, and download zip. It's going to download the zip file on my machine, which is Windows 7 Hewlett-Packard laptop running Chrome browser. It tells me it's downloaded it. I can look at my downloads folder. You can see I've downloaded a few times. I've been very chatty on my videos. I'm trying to hone the length a little bit today. And it'll say show in folder. Then it's going to open this Explorer and show here's the file that I just downloaded. Now, it is a zip file, which is a compressed file. You need to unzip it to be able to read it and use it. So I'm going to right click on this and it brings up this menu, and I'm going to click extract all. When I do that, it brings up this other little box and it says select a destination and extract files. And you can just click extract and it'll extract it into the downloads folder right beside that one. It'll have the same name, only it will be not compressed. I'm going to put this on my desktop. So I'm going to just put it here on my desktop. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to open desktop and I'm going to click extract. Dun, dun, dun. So here it is in my desktop. Go down here, Arduino on-ramp class master. And if I open it up, it has all the codes from our repository in it. Now, for this video, I'm going to delete it because I'm going to show you another way to download it. If you use Git or have downloaded Git for some other reason, you can also clone it. If you use Git, you probably already know how to do this, but I like to use a Git bash on Windows because command line uses different commands, and PowerShell is also a little odd, and I can use regular bash commands here. So here I am in the Git bash. I am going to back up one directory by change directory tilde, and then I'm going to go into my desktop folder. And let me just back up just a minute. If I list all the folders, this puts me in my C drive. And I can find all these. So I'm going to change directory, as I think it would go down into the desktop. So come down here, CD, desktop. And then in my desktop folder, I am going to want to clone this repository. So I can go over here and I'm going to copy, put it on the clipboard here, this URL for the repository. And since I already have Git installed, I can git clone and just paste that in there. If I do that, Git will go out, find that repository, clone it, and it will put it right there on my desktop. So I'm still in my desktop folder. put list. Now remember, I deleted Arduino on-ramp before, but now we've just gone and we've cloned it in here. And if I close this, open my Explorer again, I can go to the desktop, and it's in there with all the code. So you could either download it, simple, or you can get Git if you're interested. Git-scm.com is the website for Git. You can look into that. There's lots of online ways to learn how to use it, but you don't need it for this class. In our repository, just briefly, we have our what we call README. Just explains what's going on and what it is. It has our prerequisites and links to all those, links to the videos. It's got links to the videos of Dilly setting off our intruder alarm. We also have a link to our class notes and to slides with the images from the class. Our different folders include the code, which has each of the Arduino code for our sample codes for the piezo, for the lights, for the ultrasound. We also have data sheets for each of our components. Here's the one for the ultrasound unit in case you want to get another one or you have some questions about some specifics. We also have the SVG file for the acrylic board that we provide in the class. We have a setup script for the Mac driver for this CH340 drivers. We have a parts list of all the materials that we give you. So that's what we're downloading. The main thing we want you to have a copy of the script, these links, and all the code. And that's it. Alright, makers, get out there and make it good.